You don't see this every day, that's for sure. Look at that. Rocky Road. Nothing the GS can't handle. Good day to own an adventure bike. Man, nobody's here. All right. I'll get the other camera out, take a little walk. And I sure hope this place doesn't let me down again. We shall see. All right. We're going to walk to Sulphur Springs site where there may be some bubbling action out of the ground. Gotta walk through this little maze thing. I'm blocked off from being able to ride up in here. That's okay. It's a nice day for a walk. It's not terribly far either. Just hope that, I've been out here, like I said, a couple times, and there wasn't anything, just some slight little bubbling stuff. I mean, it's better than nothing. It's kind of cool. If there's at least that this time, then I'll go ahead and make a video out of this. But we won't know till we get there. And we ain't there yet. So these are kind of cool. I don't remember what they're called. I'll figure it out and put it in the video, but there's a place called Tent Rocks, not terribly far from here too, that has a lot of these, but they look a little different. These are a different kind of stone, but very cool how they're eroded like that. And we're walking. Those guys right there, they were back there a little ways. Startled the crap out of me. I probably startled them too. It's all right, ladies. You good? I'm just walking through. All right. And we're here. And you can smell it. You can smell the sulfur already. And there are some buildings. Here's that building. Remnants of a, that stinks. There's another building over there in the distance. You can see it. Oh man. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. This colored bluish looking water. Nasty smelling stuff, man. So apparently, at one point, this was a health spa in the 70s, 60s or 70s, I think. And, the sulfur water, cure what ails you, I guess. I don't know about all that. I think there was a fire or not enough business or something, I don't know. went away. And at some point, Park Service got a hold of this land, and I think they did some tests to see if they could generate power. What's that called? Some kind of thermo stuff power, you know, from underground. And I don't know what came of that. So I'm not seeing much here either. There's some bubbling. You take my word for it, it stinks. So that's kind of cool. It's catching it good enough. A little bubbling action. It may just be the gases, you know, coming from underneath. I didn't do my homework. But there's some places in the mud that I've seen videos of. I don't know, I think it's over here, over there, I don't know. And that's the cool stuff. Let's go see if we can find that. Ooh, we got some smoke coming out of there. That's something. I don't want to get where it's blowing into me. Can you see that? I think so. That damn fly. So that's something, I guess. About the same as last time. I don't know what it takes to see the really cool bubbling stuff. Got this one lady whose channel I don't remember. I'll put a link to her channel, or to her video. They got me so pumped to find this place and try to make a video like hers. She had some good timing. I do not. You can hear the gases. Just no bubbling, man. Oh, we got bubbles. This is better at least. I think better than the last time I was here. Yeah, that's something. Look at that. That's kind of cool, actually. Huh? I think we got us a video. Stinks, man. You are lucky. Luckier than me this time. You get to see it without the smell. Very cool. Very cool. I don't think we're going to be able to top that. I don't hear anything else. Some remnants to some building or something that was here. And that's it. I think it's called Sulphur Springs. Something over there one time. Building in the way background there. You don't see this every day, that's for sure. Look at that. Nice. All right, that's it. Success, I'd say. In New Mexico. Of all places, right? Amazing. That's it. See you next time.